Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Facebook Reels option not showing easily and fast. So first thing you want to do guys is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps, and now on this page you will have to wait a few seconds because it will load in all the apps that you have on your phone. So after that, go to the search bar here and search for Facebook like this. Click on this force stop option to stop running the app in the background of your phone, and then click on the notifications management. Disable the notifications and enable them again. Make sure that all notifications are enabled. Go back, click on data usage. Make sure also that all network access options are enabled. And last thing you have to do is update your Facebook into the latest version on the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. It's very easy to update, as you can see. Just search for it and click on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe.